Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a profile picture from your computer in Gmail. Having a profile picture adds a personal touch to your Gmail account. Let's get started with the simple steps. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. At the top right corner of the screen, click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. Step 3. On your profile picture, click on Edit. This will take you to the Profile Settings page. Step 4. Click on Add Profile Picture. A new window will appear with different options. Step 5. On the top menu, click on From Computer. This will allow you to select an image from your computer's files. Step 6. Finally, click on Upload from Computer to select the desired profile picture from your computer and upload it to your Gmail account. By following these steps, you can easily add a profile picture from your computer to personalize your Gmail account. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks for optimizing your Gmail usage.